Welcome to Life Pracs, the space where we grow healthier and happier together. Today, we are going to talk about the goal setting for a healthier life. So, why is this goal setting important? Because only with this goal setting, you know which direction to take. Only then it will become a purposeful destination, a purposeful journey, rather than just a wandering hope. Let's first talk about SMART goal setting. SMART, as the acronym is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. Say you want to improve your diet. An example of a SMART goal in this would be I would eat vegetables 3 times a week for 1 month. Now, this goal is specific, that 3 times a week. It is then also measurable because you can actually measure did you eat or not eat. It is achievable. It is also relevant to your diet, eating vegetables, and it is also time bound, that okay, you're talking about 30 days. So that way, this is a small example of how you can set SMART goals in each section of your health. Now, this was an example about diet. Now, next, let's break down the process into actionable steps. First step is reflect. Ask yourself what behavior you want to change. Do you want to improve your sleep? Do you want to quit smoking? Or do you want to lose weight? Because this reflection is the seed for transformation. You have to first understand and accept that you need to transform. That is a step of reflection. Step number 2, plan. Once the goal is set, once you know what is to be changed, now on top is how you plan it to be changed. What steps have to be taken, what duration, that everything has to be documented. Important step, act. Now, your goal is set, you know the plan, now you have to execute the plan. Now, act. Only planning will not bring you anywhere. You have to execute the plan, work on the plan, evaluate regularly. You have to keep checking if you are reaching those small goals. If not, then what is the reason why you are not being able to reach those goals? Then find out those reasons and remove those reasons and move step by step towards that goal. Celebrate. Every small victory has to be celebrated, at least in your mind, at least in your psyche, that okay, you have achieved one step, you're one step closer to moving your habit, changing your habit. We have to remember, behavior change is not a sprint. It does not happen in one day. It's not like 100 meters start and finish. It's a marathon. It's a long journey. You have to start and keep moving, keep improving slowly and steadily towards your goal. You will never reach the perfect state. It's not a search for perfection. You will never reach the perfect state. That is also not the goal, to reach the perfect state. It is to become healthier and happier every day throughout your life. I have created a small worksheet for you with SMART goals, which you can very easily download from the link given, and you can set your own daily goals and see to it that you achieve those goals. Now, the SMART goals are, again, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. So your every goal has to have these 5 features to make it a SMART goal. I would love to know what behaviors are you trying to change or trying to improve. Do write in comment section, and I will go through it and I will come back to you with new videos and new information about how you can achieve those behaviors. Remember, this channel, we're talking about achieving health goals, being healthier and happier through behavior change. We're not talking about any drugs, any medicines, any of those things which have side. It is all you, what you can do, and it's also difficult. It's not easy. That's why we need constant support and motivation to achieve the best version of ourselves. Share this video with your friends and family if you like, and obviously I would love if you'd subscribe to the channel so that I'll be motivated to create more and more such videos. Thank you very much.